are in the heart of Panama City, close to all your important needs that support the kids, you know, home goods. And you can also use this home as multi-generational. This is grand, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. You've got all this open space, feels modern, but with all the character of its history. If a kitchen is your love language, this one's for you. And again, that open feeling into a dining room that has plenty of space for your family. Welcome to the grand bedroom on the main floor, overlooking the pool. And think multi-generational. Your parents could be on the main level safely and have plenty of space. A closet size for royalty, or whatever configuration fits your needs. And the grand theme continues in this ensuite that's upstairs with the other two bedrooms, and a third bathroom upstairs for both the other bedrooms. Continuing with grand, the backyard doesn't disappoint with this grand pool and plenty of space for the littles or the fur babies. For more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any beautiful deals like this one. Oh, hold on. And oh man,